Do you want to know how to use Windows Backup app in Windows 11? Then you are at the right place, as we know how to do that. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. The Windows Backup app is a new addition to the already feature-rich suite of apps that allows you to configure backups for your files, settings, credentials, and apps to your OneDrive account. It is a pre-installed application that most users do not leverage the powers of, and we are here to change it. Here is how to use the Windows Backup app in Windows 11. Let's get started. Method 1. Configure the Windows Backup app. Launch the Windows Backup app by searching it out of the Start menu. Now, if required, sign in using your Microsoft account. Click on the Folders option. You see various folders that you can choose to include or exclude in your backups. Just on or off their toggle. In case you just see Backed Up instead of toggle, go to Windows Settings, then select Accounts, then Windows Backup, and then Manage Sync. Now go to Apps and then turn on or off the toggle for quick access apps on any Windows device. If you don't see the toggle, it's already enabled. You can disable or configure the option from Settings, then Accounts, then Windows Backup, then Remember My Preferences. If you find the Credentials option, toggle on or off Wi-Fi networks and passwords. After configuring everything, click on the Backup option. This will start backing up the data you have specified. You may see an option that says Verify your Microsoft account to backup credentials. Click on Go to Settings. This will open the settings page asking you to verify your account. Click on Verify and then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Once your account is verified, you should be good to go back your Wi-Fi credentials as well. Method 2. Restore the backup. Unlike traditional methods, the Windows Backup app is not equipped for complete system restoration. It does not provide an interface for restoring specific files, settings, apps, or credentials. Instead, files must be directly accessed from OneDrive, and other items can only be restored during the initial setup process. To do the same, after selecting the region, language, and keyboard, you will be asked to enter a name. Upon specifying a name, you need to click on Next and select Setup for personal use, as we are going to restore the backup from your personal account. Click on Sign In and enter your account credentials to log in. From the Restore from your PC backup section, click on the Restore from this PC option. Then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. This will restore or backed up files. Method 3. Allow Windows Backup to run in the background. If you are going to schedule a backup job using Windows Backup, it is recommended to allow it to run in the background always. To do the same, search out Windows Backup from the Start menu. Right-click on its icon and click on App Settings. Now go to Background Component Permissions and set it to Always. Method 4. Enable or disable Remember Preferences for MSA across Windows 11. If you want Windows 11 to remember your app preferences, you can use the Windows Backup app. Open the app, go to Settings and then toggle on or off the options for Accessibility, Language Preferences and Dictionary, other Windows settings, and personalization. Once configured, click on Backup. You can also go to the Apps tab and configure the options there. Alternatively, go to Settings, then Account, then Windows Backup, and configure Manage Sync settings. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.